In this video, we will show you the new client board functionality. First, you should go to the administration settings and click on the client section. From here, you can add new clients with their respective information, including the option to add a logo if desired. Please note that to access this feature, you must have the client administrator role within the platform. To enable the client admin role, stay in the configuration module and go to the users section. Select the person you're looking for, and click on the Edit User option to grant the client admin permission. Make sure to accept these changes, log out, and log back in. Now, go to the Work module and click on the Client Board option. Here, you can see your entire portfolio of clients, the number of projects completed, and the number of projects that are currently in progress for each client. When you click on a client board, you'll see the list of projects and their type. Each column represents a different type. By clicking on the More option and selecting Upload File, you can also upload relevant files such as contracts or exclusive materials for a specific client.